driving that bus. Yeah.
Oh, your dad, your brother, you all drive bus.
Yeah, no, my brother driving the bus. Myself and my dad driving the bus.
We're heading out to Cakaudrove. But first we have to have a stop at the service station. Then we'll continue. Well, so south, no? Definitely gonna be back where we're gonna spend more time in here because we have to attend a function today, like a reunion kind of. So it was limited what we could show. I mean, it's a big town, but like, you're gonna go back and forth a lot of times during the day. From the looks of it, you know, and I take my hats off again. It's much more of a town than Levu, you know. We can only brag about our history of being the first capital of Fiji, but Savo has everything here, even Vanua Patel. So that people Vanua Patel. Okay. Now we're leaving. There should be nice scenery here. To my right, I'm told, when we come out. But looking so southern now. The airport, people. Sub International. I don't think it's international, more domestic, but they do have an airport that's functioning. Can't say that of overload. Bread. Only once in a while, you know. Look, boy, the runway is quite. Oh, another resort here. Hey, but oh, people. Sabasi Island here, another resort. To my right, see, we have to go across with there's a bridge there. Boy, that one I've heard expensive resort to stay at. It's quite close to Savo. I didn't know that. It was that close. It's pretty good, man. Now it's gravel again. Another resort, Singer. Yeah, Singer Sands. Hey, man. The resort, it's good, man. Because we want economic development, you know. And it's nice to see a resort somewhere in some summer. Hopefully many more to come, man. Khorasan here to my left. at this. Sandbar. Looks nice, man. Oh, Khorasan there. See the Khorasan Resort. Okay. Also resort? Yeah. Another resort could be around. People, another resort here. Holiday villas. Boy, looks pretty amazing. Some sabu, man. Not many people. I just woke up, man. Huh? No. Bangsau. Wait, Bangsau village. Sorry. We are in the interior now, I think. When I woke up, no more sea and beach. We're inside gravel road. Trees surrounding us. Yeah, man. Very beautiful. See the driver taking a piss. Oh man, people, even though you went first class, we can't there. Like, you try to sleep the best way you can, but you will never be able to get the sleep like you do at home. So I'm a bit tired still, but it's been a good journey so far. Oh, yeah.
Jerry twice, I bring it.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm gonna pull Jerry twice.
Cakaudrove is village people. Damn, I didn't know it was from Vanua, Levu. Yep, the people here looks like Jerry. My chow. People, the store in the village. I don't know where we are at basically right now. Close to the beach, or close to the sea. You can see the sea in the far distance. But shop was closed, people. Oh,
Kyo Island, between Kyo and see that's
Yeah.
Tabiun on the other side.
Oi!
Yeah.
Oi! You can see Tabiuni from here, people. Big island, eh?
Yeah. Best biggest in Fiji, Tabiun.
Oi!
Kyo is
Kyo! That one. Stop. They got off. We are almost at our destination. This is the village before our village, and this is where the reunion is at. Hey, we go to the reunion. We come back for you.
No. This is the chiefs. This is the district of Turno, and the chief is from here.
Oi.
We pass Buddha at the back there.
Yeah, that one. Maybe.
See the old bricks there.
Oi. Turno is the name of this district.
The district.
District.
Yeah.
That was Buddha, where all the girls said.
Oi.
The one they say Buddha baby from that village.
Oi.
Buddha baby.
Buddha baby.
We should have stopped, eh?
No, that one baby but rough.
Oi.
Hardcore that one.
Oi.
Your wife from Buddha? Oh, Nili. But you will be back here, okay?
Yeah. From
Katabu?
Kasabu.
Oh.
Kailoma, eh? Kasabu is like the place where the Kailoma
Oi.
live, eh? This is the village where the copra, eh?
The copra is
They plant most of them with all of these planted trees. They have roads that side.
Oi.
As they know, as they meet this planting now. Yeah.
Rambi.
When you open the door to the place we're staying,
Ayo.
you're gonna stay. You just open the door, you're gonna see Rambi.
Oi.
If you zoom in on the camera, you might see the Rambi woman going down like this.
Kodo.
Here you can see the Pokonikai, the biang there.
Many girls there?
Huh?
Many girls there?
Girls with big coconut trees.
Body.
To Rambi. And this is like the point.
Oh, siya tengok ko na matagal eh.
Yeah.
Ito pa talang isu.
That's the boat that take them to Rambi.
Oi.
That's the other way to get. Orto awan apa sih? Nah,
Oh, iya.
cina blok bus. Orang kata lagi, yo, high tech cina nah, ayo nak koro.
Oh, enggak saya koros orang koros kok.
Yo, start. The speakers ya, they gonna have the Simba on one side,
Oi.
one side. Tapi ada private school. Oh, the private school. Oh, ada primary up there. Oh, this one. The names of the places you'll hear it's different, eh? That's Cakaudrove, and this Ijipita inside here. Ijipita. Yo,
Shit.
no lie.
Iyo.
Egypt in Fiji.
Egypt, and this thing that goes up to it's like a pool up there.
Goes up to Bethlehem.
How deep is the deep in the deep?
The name of the
Name of the pools is Tombunisirel.
Tomlisiri.
Tombunisirel.
See people. Only in Vanua live.
Only in Vanua.
The Tombunisiri.
That's a big tomb.
This place is called Scenic.
Oh, Cerne.
Australia.
Serene.
Okay. And this house is called Tokelau.
Tokelau.
This will meet my brother. Before he was a girl, now he's a man.
Later.
Before man to man.
Yeah. Kalau kesek katisnya, memang katis punitin.
We're going to a house now. Let's see now.
From here you can see Rambi in the far distance.
Rambi what?
Rambi village.
Boy, look at these people. What a view. Yeah. Boom. And you can see Rambi there. Look. $1 million view, eh? People, just dropped up our things and now it's on to the next event. Tosongo and a toso tunga. Boy, this village footpath everywhere, man. It's good. Tom Israel.
The pawn of Israel.
Body.
Tom Israel.
Wow.
Pasti abang tu sarap Tom Israel. Malah kan tu tumbal lagi kan?
Iya. Kelat sungai ikut naik.
This is abang of Israel.
Banyak ni Vanua, boy. Different size.
This is Israel eggplant.
Boy, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. People are gonna go down to the chiefly village. What's the name again? Kornivon. Where the paramount chief lives and also is the capital of this district.
Hah? Tinggal 5. Tinggal 5.
This fella ready to Simba. Don't say yes. Oh. Remember you from Nandronga?
No. Yes. Drews.
I'm from Matuk.
Matuk.
Yeah, Matuk.
Who's your grandfather from Matuk? Maafu.
Bulirewa.
Oh, Bulirewa. Because plenty Matuk gang too.
Hey.
They see there. Oh, brother, come, brother.
They ask which village you from, Matuk? Oh.
Just saying, Matuk.
Boy, quite a big village, eh?
Yeah.
People, it's time to go.
Go where?
Start the journey. Today we'll all complete the journey.
Huh? Yes, but you have to, just like in the ring.
Yeah.
You have to play after that break for 5 minutes. But here 30 minutes. How long you can take a break?
Yeah. Sometimes you chase a tumbale
Yeah, what can do?
and then come back to the ring.
That's the number one chase.
The number one chase tumbale.
What's the name of the village again?
Kornivon.
Yes.
The capital in this district. Eh?
Myself to the capital.
Huh?
Myself to
The capital?
Yeah.
The capital of the grove. People, there's one village in the Cakaudrove district, and the chiefly village. Boy, we are lucky. The first day to visit. This must be the church, people. The hall over here. The hall, also known as Bar 1 today.
Where?
The hall. Bawan.
Bawan up there. Badri and Batu.
Uy. Ocho.
Ooh.
People, there's lunch going on, but we're going straight the opposite way Because this guy wants to bully all the no Levu gang.
No. Because if you eat, then you come. No different story, right?
Why?
They'll smack us around nicely.
When do we eat? When we go home?
Huh? No, maybe tomorrow.
Later.
Yes. Tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Only food that we're going to be drinking the kava. We'll be having kava.
Good juice.
Hah? Sir na ibalik. Go. Ando mo. Pero apa tuh nih?
Sama cik matang nunggu, sama cik.
When you see the woman going across the water, hey, tahu tidak mau berbuatan. Salah tidak mau berbuatan. Wow, ouch. Itu ada kamu? Udah waktu meram. Lama injak tu mai. Udah waktu meram le और seminta betul man. Mun sarame itu tam. Blend. Sian biru tam mai. American see the experience in the terang ya tung sarang. Udah gua so.
People, we're gonna go and check out the big bolombolo, but it's so full, man. Look over there. People still think I'm from Laos. If I can keep this the whole week, then I know it would be a good week. Where you from, my brother?
I'm from Nandunga.
Oh, Nandunga.
Sobatama. Drews.
Lau, Mutuku. Nabuci.
Hey, temu sini. Sometimes you have to be
sister, your brothers, which are already.
We don't know how to go inside.
Kembali akan besar di Tinggor Asia sana sana di Yu animo. Kenapa le usah ada rentan. Yo, lu member Talvin ada wa.
Okay, people, we are in.
Number Talvin ada register gore.
We're in the ball.
sama boy sama Pak Tetap kakak.
This New Year's Eve in Levu is lit. I like this kind of song, function, party, and the simple tune and
Napa Levu. Ora vuoi cerrare un tuo. Sì.
शिक्षण युद्ध સુધી याद नहीं रहा क्या 11 फरवरी है तुझे याद भी है तारीख को क्या हुआ था
Time to go home.
Escape from the war.
Escape from the war.
Like Rafael, the first grill we get. You know that over here too they ride the bus. Because I think them siapa tak ada bus.
Ada the bus lain pak. Bus tu ya.
Ya. Orang kata bus tu. Very big. Kalau mana tak ada.
Aslinya ada submarine tu. Oh, submarine.
Don't get fly.
Yeah. That thing go under the water, submarine fly in the sky. Only seat in the night. That one express, yeah?
The bicycle go on the trees.
Makan dua. You can use to climb that tree. Coconut.
The coconut climb.
That's why you see rider there, because he's step from the climb the tree using the bicycle.
So this is like the rider's brother.
Awas apa? Nak makan. Hey. Garang. Back in Karoko. Weh, apa? Dorang lamamu.
Back in Karoko village, people. Time to relax, man. It's been a long day. Holy.
Aguilar.